guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about my office outing to a resort. I woke up early in the morning, got ready and left for the pickup point. This morning view feels so fresh. Once everyone arrived, we got into the bus and the trip has officially started. Grooving to the music, the usual excitement before a trip. After some time, we got down to have breakfast, so we ordered puri, dosa, vada, upma, and of course, coffee. So here, everybody is giving their voiceover demo for my YouTube vlogs, and this was a cute little discussion we were having. Once we finished our breakfast, we got back into the bus and after a long ride, we finally reached the Hombale Resort. When you enter, on the left side there's a play area with different kinds of activities and onto your right, you have the rooms. The place looked really cute, clean and well maintained. We had our welcome drink and then checked into the rooms that were assigned to us. The rooms were compact, cozy and we really liked the setup. After resting for a bit, we went straight to have lunch. There were different options for veg and non-vegetarians. After lunch, we headed out to play some games. We played badminton, carom, and then we tried the rope activity. It was honestly so much fun and we enjoyed it. This is the rope activity setup that I am going to try, and it looks easy, but trust me, it was not. Some rope activities were easy while some were a little difficult, but somehow we managed to complete everything. The whole group was enjoying and cheering each other, which was so good to see. After the tiring activities, we took a short break and played Uno inside the room because we were already too tired to go out again. Then we went straight to the swimming pool. The pool was clean and we spent some time there. From the pool we went near the bonfire area and played a few more games. And from the bonfire we went straight to have dinner. The food served both lunch and dinner was really good and tasty. There were different options for veg and non-vegetarians, and we are all hardcore non-vegetarians, so we filled our plates with non-veg items. Before crashing on our beds, we wanted to make sure we will walk for some while, and here Neha is making sure that we are getting recorded on the video. This is the day 2 guys, and we woke up early in the morning like 6 a.m. and got ready for the trek. Had a cup of coffee and went straight for the trekking. The trekking was refreshing. It was full of fresh air and beautiful views. We came back from the trek and had breakfast. As you can see in the video, my plate is all full because I was so exhausted and tired. After finishing the breakfast, we got freshened up and clicked few pictures with the team and started our journey back home, and honestly the whole experience was so good.